The question says in the logic circuit shown in the figure, if input A and B are 0 to 1 respectively, the output Y would be X. So what will be the value of X? So this is a simple question from logic gates over here, wherein we have input A and B as 0 and 1. So when we go from here, we have NOT, that is the value changes to 1 over here, and then when we go from over here to here, the value remains same, that is its value is 1. Now when we get out from B, we have NOT over here, that is 1 changes to 0, and then that 0, when it goes again through NOT, we have it changed from 0 to 1, so there will be 1 over here. And then when we go from another route, that is from over here, 1 changes to 0, and then 0 remains 0, that is until over here. And then we have 0 going from over here to here in a straight line, no change appears, that is that it is 0 from here. And the logic circuit over here is NOR and NA and D. So when 0 and 1 we have OR, we get 1, but we have NOR, so we have 0 over here, and then we have NA and D on the other side, that is 1 and 0. So 1 and 0 will give us 0, but since there is n in the beginning, we will get 1. So over here we have 0 and 1, and then when they go from AND, it becomes 0, that is 1 and 0. Therefore the answer of Y is 0.